Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum continues to form higher highs and higher lows. We haven't even seen the price break below one of the previous swing lows. So it's possible that wave C of 3 has started. Okay, so let's talk about this microstructure. This is really just a quick intraday update. And there are two potentials still that I'm tracking here on the chart. First one, which I'm following at the moment because the price is has formed obviously here an ABC structure to the downside. So this wave 4 correction that we've been observing since the middle of March has or could have completed. I don't want to say it completed because we don't have the evidence yet on the chart, okay? But it is one of the potentials and reasonable interpretations as long as this red line is holding, the price is holding above the red line, 2,865, as mentioned in the previous videos. As long as this level is holding, we can follow the yellow count, which allows for a bullish interpretation. And we would need to see for further validation that the third wave in yellow reaches 3,624 and the fifth wave 3,770. These 5 waves need to fill for me to say that with confidence the wave 4 completed. Had this been a 5-wave move up, I would be more confident, but we haven't seen 5 waves up here. This was only a 3-wave move, and therefore I need to see the next larger degree. And price action to the upside is clearly corrective. Very, very clearly. That's not bearish, but it means that I need to see 5 waves of the next larger degree, because this could just be a leading diagonal unfolding in 5 waves. Wave 1 as an ABC pattern, wave 2 as an ABC pattern, wave 3 as an ABC pattern, wave 4, and then wave 5 as well. And this white box gives you the relevant levels to watch. I highlighted in the previous video that it's possible that a B wave pullback started, and well, I think it did. It's possible as long as today's intraday low is holding, but that's a big if. So, you know, if this is holding, then we could say that the C wave to the upside has already started with a very, very shallow B wave pullback. But that also requires a successful breakout above 3,300 to confirm, which is this wave 1 high. That's what I want to see really. And that C wave up could take us to 3,624, maybe even higher. I mean, the 3,624 level is the first ideal target for a third wave. Okay, but based on the micro price action, we can then look for the 100% extension. That's the first ideal target for the C wave, and that's very close together. So 3,570, that is, could always go a bit higher, and that very well fits together actually. So therefore, I'm assuming maybe wave B bottomed, and if we can hold today's low, break above 3,300, that's an area to watch. Then we still need a 4th wave and a 5th wave to confirm that the low is in. So it is also possible that in the white count we are rallying in a B wave. As mentioned before, as long as we see only 3 waves up, it can still be a B wave rally. Consider that for the B wave, there are a few relevant levels to watch, especially here, the 1-to-1 ratio. So if it's the B wave that's unfolding here, which could then result in a C wave down still, okay, in a more complex WXY pattern, the $3,400 level is relevant. Can also go higher, but I can't really consider a B wave anymore if we get 5 waves up. So that's sort of, okay, we have to be picky here. You know, I can't just say, okay, you know, no, I have to be objective. And as long as it's only a 3-wave move, there is the risk that we come down in wave C again. But that would require 5 waves down, and within those 5 waves, obviously, once we see a first 1-2 setup to the downside, so wave 1 down, wave 2 up, holding a lower high, then the 3rd wave down could happen, and that would be the major sell-off. So at the moment, the situation hasn't really changed. It's possible that that the price formed an extremely shallow B wave pullback. Not invalid or anything, extremely shallow, just that's sometimes what B waves do, especially on smaller time frames. You have to expect distortions sometimes. It was certainly only a 3-wave pullback. So again, that always keeps the door open for higher. And yeah, but next breakout point is clearly defined here. And then from 3,300 to 3,400, that's sort of the next jump the price would then make if we get a breakout. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.